how to get all free costumes in Marvel Rivals. So when you go here on your profile icon here at the top, you go to achievements and go to heroic journey. So once you achieved all of this and go to the achievement points, the rewards preview, as you can see, as you progress, you can get the costume for Storm, which is the Ivory Breeze, and the costume for Star-Lord, which is the Jovial Star. And once you progress right here, you could also, at the same time, you could progress here on the missions page, where you can get all of these chrono tokens and units, which you could use to buy it from the store. As you can see, this one uses units, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply go to it and buy the skin right here. And next is that if you reach gold, or the gold in rank or competitive, you can get the free Moon Knight skin, which is the golden moonlight. So it's not here on the cosmetics page, but if you reach gold rank on Marvel Rivals, you can get it right here. And that's how you can basically get all free costumes in Marvel Rivals.